wherever you are watching from, you are welcome back. This is a question asked by one of my students yesterday, and then I think I should explain. The question says find the reciprocal of this fraction, which is 2/3 divided by a half and 1/3. So what do we do? This is a very big or huge fraction. But the first thing to do, this is the numerator, this is the denominator. So we have to work on this first. So half plus 1/3. Normally we find the LCM of the denominators, the 2 and the 3. The LCM, least common multiple, is 6. Is 6. So the LCM of 6, 2 will go into 6 3 times, and 3 times 1 is 3. 3 will go into 6 2 times. 2 times 1 is 2. And that will be equal to 2 plus 3 plus 2 is 5 divided by 6. That's not the only method. You can still use the butterfly method to solve this fraction. 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3. You can cross multiply. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2 times 1 is 2 divided by 2 times 3, 6. And that will still give us the 5 over 6. And that's just for the fraction at the down. So let's come back to the question, which is 2 over 3 all divided by what we got for this one. All this is equal to 5 over 6. So divided by 5 over 6. What do we do next? The next thing we do when we are dividing fractions, two fractions, we use what we call the KCF factor, where the K stands for keep. So you keep the first fraction 2 out of 3. The second C is change. It stands for change. So you change the division sign to multiplication, and the F stands for flip. So you flip this fraction to 6 over 5. So let's move on to simplify further. If you are new here, please subscribe, like and share, invite someone. Please double tap, let me know you can hear me. Like and let me know you can hear me. Can you all hear me? Can somebody hear me? I don't know if you can hear me. Okay, so let me continue. So now this is what we have arrived at. What do we do next? The next thing to do, we are multiplying. So this 3 can go into itself 1 and go into 6 2 times. And the 2 times 2 will now be equal to 4 divided by 1 times 5 is 5. So this is the answer for this whole question. But what is the question asking us? They are asking us to find the reciprocal. It's like the inverse of the solution. Now the answers here we have A 4 over 5, B 5 over 4, C 2 over 5, and then the D is 6 over 7. So what is the answer? Find the reciprocal, we have to turn this upside down. So that would be 5 over 4. So the answer is B. The answer is B, 5 over 4. How many of you can solve this by yourself? How many of you can solve it all by yourself? I'm answering questions asked by my students. Yesterday, a student said he or she cannot solve this. So I'm taking my time to go through. Please, can someone like for me to see something? I don't know how this works. Can someone like for me to see? Oh, okay. Thank you for the likes. Okay, it means you can hear me. Can you comment? I want to know if I've done the settings well. Can someone comment? Let me see if it will come so that I can answer your questions. Can somebody like? Can somebody comment? If you are new here, please subscribe. I always come here to teach mathematics. This time we are preparing for BC and WASI and any other thing maths. So subscribe, please. Okay. Okay. Let's move on to fractions. Number 1, 3 over 4 divided by 2 over 8. Yesterday, a student asked me this question, so I'm taking my time to explain. But who can solve this for us? Anytime you see a question like this, division of fractions, this is under fraction, division of fraction. Why is this? Okay. What you do is to use the what we call the KCF factor, where the K stands for keep. That means you keep the first fraction 3 over 4. The second one, which is C, is for change. You change the sign here to multiplication. And the F is flip. You flip this. The top, the numerator will become the denominator, and the denominator to become this. So that will give you A over 2. What's next? look at this second fraction. They are both even numbers, so they are easily divisible. So 2 can go into itself 1 and go here 4 times, right? So we now have 3 over 4 times 4 over 1. What's next? The 4 can also cancel 1 and go here 1. So we now have 3 times 1 divided by 1 times 1, and that will give us 3 divided by 1, which is equal to 3. That is simple. Please like, let me know you can hear me. Someone should like and let me see. Subscribe to my channel, guys. I always come here to teach. Please like. I want to see a like. I want to see another like to know if you can hear me or if you can see. Please, can you hear me? I'm not seeing any comment. Oh, I didn't set the thing well. What should I do? Okay, another one. This is also under fraction number 2. 3 divided by 4 times 2 over 3. Who can solve this? This one is very simple. Very, very simple. It's over 8, sorry. It's over 8. So 3 divided by 4 times 2 can go here 1 and go into 8 4 times. So that will give us 1 divided by 4. So let's do our multiplication. 3 times 1 is 3. And 4 times 4 is 16. 16. Who can solve this off head? This is a question asked by one of my students yesterday, so I'm just here to solve it. So we have done this. We have done division of fraction, division of fraction, and we have done multiplication. Multiplication of fraction. The next thing we'll do is subtraction. Subtraction. which is the third one we are doing. It's still 3 out of 4 minus 2 out of 8. Who can solve this? So what do we do? These two are even, so 2 can go into itself, unless you have to break it down fast to make it easy for yourself, because if you have to find the LCM or whatever is so big, so 2 can go into itself and go into it 4 times. So your fraction is now 3 over 4 minus 1 over 4. And when the denominators are the same, you just repeat because it's the LCM. So that will be 3 will go, 4 will go into itself 1. 1 times 3 is 3 minus. You bring the subtraction, and this one too as well 1. So that will be 3 minus 1 is 2 divided by 4. Can we simplify further? Yes, we can. 2 can go 2 times. So our answer is half. 1 half. 1 over 2. That's the answer. Very simple. Are you ready for the addition? Addition. Please like and subscribe if you can hear me. Like and subscribe if you can hear me, please. Subtraction. No, this is subtraction. So the next thing is addition of fraction, which is number 4 we are doing. We are still using those fractions. 3 out of 4 plus 2 out of 8. Please like and answer. Can you hear me? Can you comment? I'm surprised I'm not seeing any comments. I'm not seeing any share, no like, nothing. Is it that I didn't set it well, or okay? Okay, so let's go. 3 over 4. These are still even numbers, so 2 can go into itself and go here 4 times. That will give us 1 out of 4. Still, the denominators are the same, so it will be the same as the LCM 4. And if the denominators are the same, you just add the numerators. 3 plus 1. So 3 plus 1 is 4 divided by 4. And that is a very big one. That's a very big one. So we've done this, finding the reciprocal of this fraction. Before we did this division of fraction, then after that we did multiplication of fractions as well. and then this subtraction.